You are quietly destroying your own future, and you do not even realize it. There is one invisible, deadly mistake you keep repeating every single day. If you do not discover what it is by the end of this video, it will eventually cost you everything. Look closely at your life right now. The deepest pain you carry is not from a sudden disaster or a massive failure. It is from a quiet, invisible choice. A choice you keep making over and over again until it slowly breaks your heart. We all do it. We walk back into the very fire that burned us, hoping that this time it will feel like warmth. But it always burns. Welcome to Glaze English. I am so glad you are here with me today. If you want to break these toxic cycles and finally find your true strength, please subscribe to our channel right now. Your support gives me the motivation to keep creating these meaningful videos for you. Today, we need to have a very honest, perhaps uncomfortable, conversation about mistakes. I am not talking about the small errors you make once. Making a mistake is simply human. I have failed many times, and I know you have too. When you do something wrong for the first time, it gives you a powerful lesson. But when you repeat the exact same mistake again and again, it is no longer a lesson. It becomes a deadly trap. It becomes a cycle that quietly ruins your life. Why do we suffer so much? It is not because the world is naturally cruel. We suffer because we refuse to learn the harsh truth the first time it hits us. We ignore the warning signs. We tell ourselves comfortable lies because facing the truth is too painful. In this journey today, we will uncover the mistakes you must never repeat if you want a life of absolute respect and peace. If you stay with me until the very end, this will not only shift your mindset, but step by step, it will deeply improve your English. Let us begin. To break free from these traps, we must first look at the most painful area of our lives, how we allow others to treat us. I used to think forgiving meant forgetting, but I was so wrong. The first grave mistake we make is trusting a traitor twice. We all want to see the good in people, so when someone hurts us, our hearts try to find an excuse for them. We tell ourselves they were just confused. But please, listen to me. A traitor did not make a small, clumsy accident. They knew your feelings. They understood your deep loyalty. They saw your pure honesty, and they still made a conscious choice to break your trust. Betrayal is a calculated decision. When you forgive them too quickly, without seeing real, painful change in their behavior, you are simply breaking your own self-respect. This naturally leads us into the second trap, expecting honesty from a habitual liar. Have you ever exhausted yourself waiting for someone to finally tell you the truth? We wrongly believe that our love and patience will eventually cure their lies. But honesty is a character trait, not a switch you can just turn on. For them, lying is a comfortable survival tool. When you expect the truth from a dry well, you will only die of thirst. Stop arguing with them and start watching their actions, because actions are the only vocabulary that cannot lie. And what happens when people walk away? This is the third mistake. Easily accepting back those who left you by choice. People leave. Sometimes they know your exact value, yet they choose to build a life without you. Then, months or years later, they knock on your door. You might think they finally realized your worth, but ask yourself this hard question. Are they returning because they truly value you, or because their new options failed? If you open that door without consequences, you teach them that your boundary is weak. You reduce yourself to a temporary option, not a priority. Finally, do not make the mistake of expecting respect from rude people. We often think that if we are just a little kinder, they will soften. They will not. Their disrespect is a dark reflection of their own internal chaos, not your worth. You teach people how to treat you by what you tolerate. If basic respect is not served, you must find the courage to walk away from the table. Now that we have learned to protect our hearts from toxic behavior, we must learn to fiercely guard our minds from the wrong voices. I often wonder, how do we filter the noise in a world full of loud, foolish opinions? This leads us to the fourth mistake. Never seek advice from foolish people. We live in a society that never stops talking. Everyone wants to tell you how to live. But have you ever noticed that the people with the least experience usually shout the loudest? When we feel lost, it is so tempting to ask anyone for direction. However, asking a person who lacks discipline how to build a good life is like asking a blind man to guide you through a dark forest. Bad advice is truly dangerous. It can waste years of your precious life. Foolish people speak only from their own fears and limits. Before you let someone influence your path, look closely at their daily habits. If they are not living the reality you deeply desire, their words are entirely empty. This brings us to a much deeper, more hidden danger. The next trap is taking knowledge or guidance from immoral individuals. In my own journey, I used to be easily impressed by fame and money. When we see someone highly successful, we instantly want to learn their secrets. But here is a truth that completely changed my perspective. Intellect without integrity is a loaded weapon. When you choose to learn from a mentor, you do not just copy their skills, you slowly absorb their mindset. If they use people to get ahead, you will eventually justify doing the same. Success without moral values is a trap. It might give you wealth, but it will forever steal your peace. It is always better to grow slowly with honest values than to rise quickly by losing your soul. Protect your mind, because the voices you let in today will shape the person you become tomorrow. Just as we must filter the voices that enter our minds, we must also fiercely guard the daily energy within our inner circle. This brings us to a terribly exhausting trap, expecting time and support from selfish, opportunistic people. I remember feeling so drained, giving my heart to people who operated on a very simple, cold rule of taking whatever they could get. At first, they are incredibly charming and sweet. But the very moment you need a favor, or simply a friend to listen to your struggles, they are suddenly too busy. We keep investing our time, deeply hoping for a fair emotional return on our investment, but we get absolutely nothing back. You have to realize that blind hope is exhausting. Stop expecting loyalty from someone who only recognizes an opportunity. Your time is your life. Do not hand it over to those who only see you as a temporary convenience. This leads directly into the final and perhaps the most emotionally draining mistake of all: staying close to those who never accept their own mistakes. We all fail in life, but a strong person looks you in the eye and says, "I was wrong, and I am so sorry." That honesty is the only way a relationship grows. But have you ever tried to fix a problem with someone who is never wrong? It is exactly like talking to a brick wall. They will deflect, they will blame you, and they will twist the story until you actually start apologizing for their bad behavior. This is not strength. It is a fragile, toxic ego. You simply cannot build a healthy future with someone who refuses to look in the mirror. If they cannot say those two simple words, "I apologize," they will never change. And if they do not change, they will force you to live in an endless loop of pain. Do not wait for them to give you closure. Give closure to yourself by walking away and setting a firm boundary. Walking away from these endless loops of pain is the final step toward reclaiming your true power. Life is a patient teacher, and it will keep handing us the exact same test until we finally learn the lesson. I know how hard it is to let go, but you must remember this: creating distance is not an act of hatred. It is simply clarity. It is the ultimate form of self-love. You have to choose yourself, even when the path feels lonely. Do not ever go back to the very things that broke you. As we wrap up our time together, I want you to realize something special. By listening, thinking, and shadowing these words, we aren't just learning English. We are building a much stronger you. Language is a beautiful tool, but the real victory is the wisdom you gain along the way. Be proud of the brave steps you are taking today. Protect your peace, trust your journey, and refuse to repeat the cycles that hurt you. As we bring this journey to a close, take a deep breath and look at how far you have come today. We have explored the painful corners of betrayal, the deep exhaustion of dealing with selfish people, and the silent danger of listening to foolish advice. If there is one profound truth I want you to carry with you from this moment forward, it is this: your life is a direct reflection of what you choose to tolerate. The deepest lesson here is not about changing other people, because we simply cannot do that. The true lesson is about radically changing yourself. It is about realizing that your peace, your energy, and your self-respect are your most valuable assets, and it is entirely your responsibility to fiercely protect them. To apply this to your daily life, start with small, quiet actions. The next time someone disrespects you, do not rush to argue or explain your worth. Simply step back and observe. When a selfish person demands your precious time, practice saying no without feeling guilty. Remember that setting a boundary feels uncomfortable at first, but that temporary discomfort is the price you pay for long-term peace. You are the architect of your own reality, and every time you refuse to repeat a toxic cycle, you lay a new, solid brick in the foundation of your future. We are building that foundation together, not just through understanding these life lessons, but by improving our English step by step, empowering ourselves to communicate our boundaries clearly to the world. Now, I would love to hear from your own experience. What is one mistake from your past that you promise yourself you will never repeat again? Please share your thoughts in the comments below so we can all learn from each other's journeys. And if this video touched your heart or helped your English today, please subscribe to Glaze English. Your support truly gives me the motivation to keep creating these meaningful videos for you.